Hello guys, welcome to our AutoCAD channel. Today we are going to draw this object. So let's first change the viewpoint from top to front view. Here I have already changed. So let's start the drawing by making these two circles of diameter 80 mm and 40 mm. Here I have specified the circle. Let's start the drawing by drawing the radius of 40 mm and 30 mm. So 40 and another circle of radius 30 mm. Now let's draw the line of 70 mm as there is 55 dimension plus this 50 dimension. So 55 plus 15, 70. Now taking the offset as 2 mm as the thickness between these two rectangular slabs is 2 mm. So clicking on the offset command to determine the distance between these two rectangular slabs, which is 4 mm. So giving the offset distance as 2 mm on each side. So 2 mm on upwards direction and 2 mm in downward direction. Now again clicking on the offset command and giving the dimensions of 12 mm in upward and 12 mm on downward direction for the thickness of this rectangular slab. So 12. Now let's join the line by using line command. Now trimming the extra lines by using trim command. As you can see, this cylindrical object has been ready. So now to draw this upper part, let's draw the line of 90 mm plus 25 mm, which is 115 mm. So drawing the 115 mm line vertically, giving it the offset of 9 mm on both sides, as the thickness between these two slabs is 18 mm. So specifying the offset distance as 9 mm and giving the offset in both direction. Now giving the offset as 10 mm as it is the thickness of these slabs. Now let's join this line by using line command. Now let's draw the base of this section. So to draw this base section, we need to give the offset of 25 mm plus 40 mm. So clicking on the offset command, determining the offset distance as 65 mm and pressing or dragging down this line to 65 mm. Now, to draw the base, just stretch this line. While stretching this line, make sure that your ortho mode is completely on. As we have stretched this line, now let's trim the extra lines. So clicking on the trim command and trimming the extra lines. So now we can see that our object is almost ready, but the triangular section is missing. So to draw the triangular section, again by using the offset command we can draw this. So giving the offset of 25 plus 20, which is 45 mm. So again clicking on the offset command, specifying the offset distance as 45 mm, dropping the line. Now again by using line command, joining the slab point to the offset point. So now we can see that our orthographic projection is almost ready. So now you can see we need to change the view from front to SE isometry. So by changing it to SE isometry, now using the press pull command, press pulling this object up to the distance of 70 mm. Changing it from 2D wireframe to shades of grey for better vision. Again using the press pull command, press pulling this section as 50 and this triangular section as 5, as it has a thickness of 5 mm. Now, clicking on this object and moving it to a distance of 10 mm. Moving this triangular section to 32.5 mm. So, to give the fillet command, click on the solid fillet edge and specify the radius as 25 mm. Enter. Now clicking on the edge, we need to give the fillet on. Now make sure that you press double enter after doing this. Now again using the fillet command and giving this fillet as it has the radius of 5 mm. So specifying the radius as 5 mm. Now clicking all the edges and pressing double enter again to draw this circular hole in this, which has a radius of or a diameter of 20 mm. Go to home, click on the circle command, select this as a center and drawing the radius of 10 mm circle. Again using the press pull command and press pulling it to a infinite height. As you can see, the hole is made. So now you can see our object is almost ready, but there are 4 holes missing in it. To draw these 4 holes, we need to shift the z axis in upward direction. And now drawing the circle of radius 5 mm, pressing enter, selecting the circle and move this circle to the midpoint of the circle. Now again selecting this circle and moving it to the distance of 55 mm. Now moving it in upward direction, which is 12 plus 2, 14 mm. And now again moving it to the 15 mm. As you can see, the circle is in the right position. Now just type mirror 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 command and select this circular object which you want to mirror. Press enter, specifying the mirror point as the midpoint of this. So you can see we have mirrored these 2 circles. Now again using the press pull command and press pulling it to the infinite or any height which you want. As you can see, our object is ready. So first let's union this object. So clicking on the union command and selecting this object, pressing enter. As you can see, our object has been union. So as you can see, our object is ready. We can orbit it by using 3D orbit command. For more such drawings, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and subscribe our channel.